Good morning, everyone. I just wanted to make a really quick video to show you how to get a MP3 or an M4A or any kind of sound file from your Google Drive to a Canvas assignment, okay? If you are having personal troubles getting recordings from your phone or your tablet or whatever you're recording your tracks on to Google Drive, I'm going to ask that you email me and I will send you a how-to video based on what equipment you're using, whether you're using an iPhone or an Android, because those are two different things. But most of you, I think, know how to get voice files, audio files from your phone to Google Drive, even if you're struggling to do that from your phone to Canvas, okay? So here we go. You can see that right now I have my big mess of Google Drive opened, and the file we're going to use is Ladybird. This is a recording from last semester. You can see that Maddie uploaded it. But if you had just uploaded something from your phone to your Google Drive, it would be in your recent section, okay? And Google Drive is pretty intelligent, so if you've named it something, or if it's named like Voice 732, you can search it by title. So we can type in Ladybird and hit search. And we can see that this audio file is right here. This PDF is the score. Okay, so this is the one we want. So I'm going to download it to my desktop, put it somewhere where I can find it. In my Chrome, it's going to do this. Okay, I can open it, but then I might not know where it is. So I'm going to do show in folder. And surprise, surprise, it's in my download folder. Okay, to make this much easier, I could move this. I could cut and go to my desktop. And you see I've already put one on my desktop, so we're good to go. But you could paste into your desktop folder. And you can also drag and drop if that's something that you're good at with files between different folders on your computer. Okay, so now that I have this audio file on my computer, I might want to check it by playing it. Tap, tap, tap. Just make sure it's working. And so we can hear it, and I know it's working, and it's the actual recording I want to upload to Canvas. Okay. All right, so I'm going to keep that file folder open, and I'm going to go over here to where I have Canvas open. Now, I can't show you this in men's Glee or in women's chorale because I'm not a student in that class, so it would look completely different. So this is a course, a playground called Sandbox, where I'm a student. I'm not the teacher in this. So if I scroll down here, you can see that I've had the teacher of this Sandbox set up a singing practice for me, like a singing quiz. This is exactly the way the assignment's set up in Canvas. So you're going to click on that singing project, okay, and go to the yellow button, right? We know that yellow buttons do everything in Canvas, and click Submit Assignments. You can see that I had her create this assignment, so it will accept M4As, which is Android, MP3s, which is computers. When you record on your laptop or sometimes your tablet, it will be an MP3. And the MPEG-4 is iPhone or Apple or iPad or any of those, okay? So if we click Submit Assignment and we go to File Upload, you can also see that for this, I could give something from Google Doc or Google Drive. I could take that exact URL to share it on Google Drive. And I'm hooked up with my Google Drive into Canvas, so I could also search Ladybird. And I could also submit it right from here. Okay, so I have a lot of options. But in the file upload option, we're going to go to choose file. We're going to go to desktops. and it's right there. We're going to click open. We can add as many files as we need to using the same process. So if you've saved different songs as different tracks, you would just repeat this process and send as many files as you want. And that's how you get file recordings up to Canvas. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know by leaving a comment in the discussion board that this video is going into. Thanks so much. Have a great day. See you soon.